श्वेता। आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया और ये वीडियो सब लोगों को हेल्प आउट करने के लिए इन अ वे कि आप दूसरी कंट्रीज में बिलोंग करते हैं और आप यूके में जॉब लेना चाहते हैं. सो आई शेयर माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस दैट हाउ यू कैन ट्राई टू एक्चुअली फाइंड अ स्पॉन्सर for which you can work. The first and foremost thing is the LinkedIn. You should have a very nice LinkedIn profile where you'll give all the details of your employment, all your certifications that you did, all your education background and everything. The second stage is whenever you are searching for a job in the UK for your job profession or something, then go to the job search tab and specifically select the city as Europe Union. This is the filter through which you can filter out all the jobs related to only United Kingdom. In few jobs, you will also find in the description that they guys are ready to sponsor as well. So it's a good catch out for you. So why LinkedIn? Because the recruiters who are genuinely active in the US and UK side, they rely on LinkedIn as much as they can. You can search for any recruiters. Even recruiters doesn't reach out to you on a professional email or something. They'll reach out to you directly on the LinkedIn messages. So they will check your LinkedIn profile. It is the one and the most important thing, that you should have a very nice and fine LinkedIn profile. The second thing that I'll suggest, that after creating the LinkedIn account, try to add those consultants or the consultancies that help people in the UK or outside UK to get a sponsor. So what I did, I tried to look for all the consultants here in the UK who can help me to arrange a sponsor. Plus, I was directly in touch with all the recruiters. The HR contacts belong to good companies. So in this scenario, the better thing is कि आप recruiters को reach out करो through LinkedIn directly और आप उनके साथ अपना job profile share करो, because if they are interested, they'll obviously get back to you. So this is how you'll minimize the channel and reduce the uncertainty कि मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया है, जॉब प्रोफाइल क्रिएट कर दिया है, उनकी तरफ से एक डू नॉट रिप्लाई का मेल आ गया, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि they are really working and processing my application. So that's what I do. I just directly reach out to people, search on LinkedIn. Everybody is available on LinkedIn. Everybody. I'll say the third step. The third step would be to have a very nice resume. Your resume should not be like a paragraph that has so many long sentences and everything. Nobody is interested in reading those. So I'll prefer, instead of creating a long CV, the preference is you'll create a cover letter. The format in the UK for a CV is you'll put your name, your email ID, your address and your phone number on the top so that they can contact you directly, and the remaining information should be too precise and to the point. Better you put keywords. So suppose I am a compliance auditor, so I'll put the compliance audit keywords like ISO audit, SOX audit, I did this and that, instead of establishing everything and making things worst for them to realize that whether I am a good fit for the organization or not. And same way you can create it as a form of cover letter or something. Add your photo, it's a good sign. This is all, and like 5%, 10% it's your luck as well. So you have to keep on trying, keep on applying. And don't think that कि यार कॉल ही नहीं आ रहा है और मैंने इतनी जॉब्स पे अप्लाई कर दिया है. It's a rigorous and continuous process. So go for it and try. And the good thing now, जब मैंने अप्लाई किया था तब ऐसा रूल नहीं था, बट रिसेंटली आफ्टर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ ब्रेक्सिट कि अब यूनाइटेड किंगडम जो है वो यूरोप यूनियन का पार्ट नहीं है. सो अब और कंट्रीज के भी लोगों को, नॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया बट और कंट्रीज के लोगों को भी अगर यूके में काम करना है तो दे नीड अ वीजा. एंड वी नो कि इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा स्किल्ड वर्कर्स हैं. यहाँ यूके में यू विल नॉट फाइंड दीज मेनी स्किल्ड वर्कर्स. सो इट्स अ गुड प्लस थिंग फॉर अस कि अगर हम इस स्टेज पे अप्लाई करते हैं तो ये लोग स्किल्ड वर्कर वीजा जो है वो इश्यू कर रहे हैं. मेक श्योर दैट यू विल गेट द स्किल्ड वर्कर वीजा फॉर 5 years. दैट इज द मैक्सिमम टाइम फ्रेम, सो दैट कि अगर आप 5 साल एक कंट्री में स्पेंड कर रहे हो उसके बाद यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर देयर रेसिडेंस परमिट एंड एवरीथिंग. अगर कोई कंपनी बोल रही है कि हम 2 साल के लिए कर रहे हैं, 3 साल के लिए कर रहे हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल बेसिस पे कर रहे हैं, आई विल से कि इनिशियली यू कैन एक्सेप्ट देयर ऑफर, come there, and then when you'll come there you'll realize that you have other sort of options as well. So it totally depends upon you that how eagerly you want to get into it. And if you have any further questions or anything, I'll leave my email ID in that YouTube channel, so you can just drop me an email and I'll provide you as much information as I can based on my own experience. I have created this video just to help out more people